Okay guys, so this is the second type of ellipse. We have the auxiliary circles method, or else also known as the concentric circles method. We draw two circles. One, the diameter is the minor axis of the ellipse, and the bigger circle's diameter is the major axis of the ellipse. And then we we draw with our set square 90-degree lines and also 60 and 30-degree lines. And then we continue from there. Guys, give me 1 second. Okay guys, so let's start. Let me show you how. So, over here, using a minor axis of 80 millimeters and a major axis of 120 millimeters, construct an ellipse whose major axis is represented horizontally. So the major axis has to be applied horizontally. Find the normal and the tangent of the ellipse. Alright, so a major axis that has to be applied horizontally and is of 120 millimeters. So I have a major axis of 120 millimeters. I'm gonna mark out the center just so I know where to place my minor axis. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 over here, and a minor axis of 80 millimeters, so 40 on either side. There. Okay, now I take my compass and I draw a circle. I draw two circles, one with the diameter of the minor axis and one with the diameter of the major axis. Okay, I'm gonna extend this line properly, and now I'm gonna draw 60 and 30-degree angles all around. Remember, faint lines, because these are just construction lines. Since the major axis is horizontal, I don't need to extend these lines further up, because the ellipse would meet here and here, because it's aligned, the major axis is aligned horizontally. So the ellipse would be aligned horizontally. Okay? Yeah, now you'll see what I mean. Now from here, I'm gonna drop down vertical lines all around, okay? All around. Remember, they're always facing the outside of the smaller circle. Okay? Like this. Okay? And now, so I drop vertical lines from where the 60 and 30-degree lines meet the bigger circle. Now, I have to see where the 60 and 30-degree lines meet the smaller circle. And take out horizontal lines. Okay? Like this. now I have all the points. Okay, and I just trace them out. You continue tracing out until you close up the ellipse. Okay, then I want you to find the normal and tangent of the ellipse at any point you want. Okay, now over here where you'd have to construct an ellipse with the major axis vertically aligned, so the result will appear like this. My advice to you, take your board, shift it around, okay, and you can work normally again. Okay, just work like this. And here where you'd have to produce this angle, this one's gonna take a little harder work, a little more concentration, because this time to get this aligned, to get this line would have to be considered at this line. Okay, so you're gonna work the exact same way. Okay, but for example the ellipse main points would be over here, on here, and here, and then you find the 90 to these, which would be here and here. Okay, and you'd construct like that. Try it.